This video guides you through process of managing operations within the Euler application, including uploading consumer data, submitting physical consent forms, and assigning vendors to applications. Once you log in with your implementing agency credentials, you will come to this screen. Please ensure to have the necessary consumer data files in an Excel sheet for uploading into the system. Click on the top burger icon to open the side menu of the application. Once you log in with your implementing agency credentials, you will come to this screen. Please ensure to have the necessary consumer data files in an Excel sheet for uploading into the system. Click on the Upload Consumer Data to begin uploading your consumer numbers in the system. Once you click on Upload Consumer Data, you will come to this screen, where you have to first select the project from the drop-down list. Select the DISCOM from the drop-down list to which the consumer numbers belong. You can click on this link to download the template required for inputting the consumer data for uploading. Next, click on the Upload File icon to start uploading your consumer data into the system. You are allowed to select only Excel files in this. Click on the checkbox to give your consent regarding data accuracy. Once you have selected the desired file, you can click on the Upload button in order to upload the data into the system. You will be able to see all your uploaded lists on this screen. This list displays the details like creation date, created by which user, total records present in the list along with status of validations. By clicking on View Status, you will be able to see all the individual consumer records with statuses. Once you click on the View Status, you will come to this screen where all the individual consumer records are listed along with validation statuses. The status can be verified and eligible or verified but not eligible or not verified. There is also a column to display the consumer consent status, which can be pending or accepted or rejected. In case the consumer consent is pending and you have the physical copy of the consumer consent, then use this option to upload the physical copy of the consent form. Once consumer consent is accepted, but you can deactivate a particular consumer application by clicking on Deactivation under the same action button. Once you select to upload the consumer consent, you will come to this screen, where you have upload the document. You can upload an image or a PDF file through this option. And then select gender from the drop-down list since it is a mandatory field, and then click on the Submit button. Click on the menu to expand and then select the Assign Vendor option in order to assign applications to the vendors. Click on the Assign Vendor option. Once you select the Assign Vendor option, you will come to this screen. On the top, you can apply available filters to shortlist the list for assigning vendors. You may filter on project, DISCOM, circle, division and subdivision. Or you can select a specific consumer number as well. You will get the consumer list along with checkboxes against each row for selecting and assigning the vendor. You can select multiple consumer numbers and assign them to a particular vendor. Once you have selected the desired consumer applications, you can select the vendor from the drop-down. Once you select the vendor, click on Assign button to assign the applications to the selected vendor. You will get a confirmation message before assigning the applications. The selected applications will start showing to the vendor in their respective logins under My Applications option. This concludes the process of assigning vendors to consumer applications.